And thank you, Mary Beth, for joining us here today to talk about this expansion. And I guess it's just a great place to start. You know, you certainly are not the only retailer that has tried to expand into Canada, but not everybody has been successful. Target famously was there for less than 2 years and pulled out. Best Buy has closed stores. Big Lots closed up shop. What makes the Canadian consumer different and or attractive to Athleta? Why will you be successful?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of ways we're going to be successful in the market. I mean, first of all, just our offering and our positioning. I think, we've done a lot of consumer research in the Canadian market and definitely feel like there is a desire to have a new brand that's really focused on, performance lifestyle product and is mission driven. And that really sets us apart, I think, and will set us apart in Canada. And then another reason is, we are entering a market where Gap Inc. and our sister brands have existed for over 30 years. So we have a starting point in the market. We know a lot about the customer. We have a customer file we can leverage. We also have a distribution center in Ontario that we can use straight away for Athleta as well. So lots of reasons to believe we should be successful in this market.
Kelly mentioned competitor Lululemon there in the introduction to our segment. Of course, Vancouver is where it's headquartered and where it started. And they also have a men's line that's been very successful. But so far, Athleta just focusing women's and kids. Why not men?
Yeah, that's something we actually think is a great differentiator for our brand. We are focused solely on women and girls, and we think that really sets us apart. We talk about being for women, by women, and just really understanding who she is, what her needs are. And so that is something that we think is actually an advantage for us as we focus on our mission of empowering women and girls.
Sales have been very strong for Athleta, although Gap Inc., the parent company, was kind of mum for a while, but they have recently told investors that it hit $1 billion sales for Athleta during the pandemic, which is quite a milestone. But to pinpoint a goal of doubling that by the year 2020 is a pretty hefty target. How are you going to get there?
Yeah, so our goal is 2023, right, to get to $2 billion. And we have a number of ways to get there. I think, starting with our product, we have really versatile product that serves all of her needs, whether it's, working out or working from home or going for coffee. And so we think, just growing our product assortment and meeting all of her needs through our offering is a key way we're going to grow. And we've introduced categories like sleep recently. We introduced masks during the pandemic. Performance lifestyle product is a really big focus for us. So product is certainly one area, including inclusive sizing. We now have over 500 styles and extended sizes, which I think is great and will continue to grow for us. But also brand awareness. We're sitting at just over 50% brand awareness in the US. And so we have a big opportunity to just bring more new customers into our brand. It's one of the reasons we're entering Canada, get new customers that way. But we're also, continuing to extend our US store base, opening 20 to 30 stores a year as a way to bring in new customers and grow sales. In addition to really focusing on digital and omnichannel, we have a highly growing e-commerce business, a large penetration, over 60% of our sales are online. And we're really focused on just offering our customer options, whether it's through our 200 plus growing stores or our online channel, or other ways that we can just connect with her.
Mary Beth, it's Kelly here back in studio. Lululemon is piloting a resale program and a trade-in type of thing where they're kind of alluding to just how damaging clothing production can be for the environment. And obviously, we've seen the growth of these secondary platforms where people are able to give these garments a much longer life. How can especially athletic wear be optimized for a trade-in or resale kind of environment? And is that something you guys think you're going to be entering down the road?
Yeah, we are thinking a lot about that. We do have a partnership with ThredUp in the U.S., which is a way for us to be playing in that area. But also, we are a B Corp organization. We are certified since 2018, which means, we're a force for good for the planet and people, as well as driving profit. And so we're constantly thinking about how can we, create more sustainable options for our business, for our employees, for our customers. And so certainly this is an area where we're paying a lot of attention to.
Very quickly here before we go, Mary Beth, obviously all of us love our athleisure. We've been wearing it a lot during the pandemic, but what if people are just craving that dressing up outfit? We've heard from some retailers that say, you know what, we are selling some dresses and maybe even some high heels. Do you think there could be at all a reversion back because of what we've missed out on?
You know, I do think that people are going to be looking for, versatile product that is, smart and has smart styling to it. But I don't think they're going to want to lose the comfort. And so what's so great about what we offer at Athleta is, we offer all of it. You can be comfortable in the products, gorgeous fabrics, technical, sustainable, beautiful products, but also they're highly versatile and you can use them to go back to work and feel dressed up and feel put together. So I think that combination is going to be the secret sauce.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.